Though I don't live in a 400 square foot Asian apartment anymore, I'm still really focused on keeping my all-grain brewery functional and tidy. Here's a brief tour of it. My Bayou Classic and brew kettle store away neatly atop one of my workbenches. My brew kettle is always stored upside down to prevent bugs or mice from crawling in and dying. And if I had a do-over here, I would buy a 65-liter brew pot instead of a 55, or a 17-gallon instead of 14.5-gallon, because on my Flanders brew days, I always just come up a little bit short to fill those 3 fermenters. Silicone hoses for heat transfers, as well as for the float systems, clear draft, and just the regular ball one, well, they hang well on a wall on a couple screws. And my CO2 paintball regulator, which I use to seal lids, hangs by its throat by a single screw. The pin valve regulator from Keg Connection has been a timeless workhorse for me. Organization of your kill tray might be the most tedious thing in the brew house. Here's my milk crate with 6 different dividers housing a total of 27 different tools. Stay tuned for an in-depth video coming soon. Here's the engine of the brew house, occupying non-prime real estate under a workbench. The mash paddle provides rigidity for the shelf so we can put other things on top. As you can see, I've been using this exact same mash tun and mill combination since 2012. Not having a permanent shelf allows easy in and out of the mash tun. Besides operating as a mash tun, this Coleman Extreme cooler is the perfect storage for my monster mill with DIY hopper, bucket, as well as spare grains. If you're in the market for a mill, don't hesitate to pick up a Monster Mill double roller. And there you have it, a tidy and functional homebrew space. That's really about all you need. For those of you looking to put together a compact and tidy mash tun and mill combination, I highly recommend taking a look at this video from a handsome fella on the internet. Until next time, like and subscribe, and we'll see you soon.